Hi friends, this video shows how to solve OTG not working issue in Android phone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Tap on about phone. So here you can see MIUI version. Here we need to tap 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Under settings, go down, find additional settings, select it. Under additional settings we can find new option, developer options, select it. So these are the list of developer options. From this list, go down, find USB debugging. Let me enable USB debugging mode. Tap here, select this checkbox, then tap on OK. So this way we can enable USB debugging mode. Let me tap on OK. Done. After this, go down, find networking section. See networking. Under networking, go down, select default USB configuration. And here we have to select this first option, file transfer. Select it, then go back. Then we can test OTG. This time this should work. So this way we can solve OTG not working issue. Please check it.